They mocked my eyes, but I still could see. The silent stars were guiding me. They claimed them sons, but brought no proof. The stillness taught me how to move. They changed the maps, but not my ground. I heard the truth without a sound.
I walked through fog they called the sky, but never once believed the lie. My heart stayed fixed, my compass clear, even when doubt came crawling near. The stars don't boast, they softly burn and teach the ones who wait their turn.
Whisper facts in practice tones, but truth was found in ancient stones. Not in the screens or echoed sound, but in the way the stars go around.
Their voices fade, their towers fall, yet I still hear the quiet call. I don't need the world to know my name. The stars remember just the same. No turning point, no grand skies, just quiet truths beneath the skies. I walked the line they said would break, but found the light they couldn't fake.
I don't need crowds to know I'm right. The firmament holds back the night. Each shadow tried to change my name, but truth remained a steady flame.
Their silence roared, but I stood still, unmoved by force, but moved by will.
They offered paths that curved and bent, but I held fast and never went. I've seen the edge, not with my eyes, but through the calm where silence lies. And in that stillness, I became the voice they lost without the shame.
I don't need the world to know my name. The stars remember just the same. No turning point, no grand skies, just quiet truths beneath the skies. I walked the line they said would break, but found the light they couldn't fake.
What if I should fall right through the center of Earth and come out the other side where people walk upside down? Oh, but that's silly.